I'm walking into the room. I hear a rustling noise and I feel a breeze above me. I look up to the ceiling and see something incredible. Money is falling from the roof. It's raining money. Banknotes are floating down and landing on my head. I stretch out my arms and start to collect it. It feels crisp and new. As fast as I can collect it, more money keeps raining down on me. More and more money keeps falling down all around me. Piles of money are collecting around my feet. It keeps falling faster and faster. I collect a big pile of money in my hands. No matter how much money I have, there is always more. There is always more money. It just keeps on coming. I walk out of the room in search of a basket to put the money in. Something incredible is happening. Money is raining down on me everywhere. I step outside and money is raining from the sky. The wind is blowing the money into the bushes. I grab more baskets to collect the money. The baskets of money are overflowing, and still there is more money. There is always more money. It keeps raining down. There's nothing I can do to stop it. It's always raining money.